Presidential eating lunch like I'm Donald Trump. Everything my pen writes down now, Robert Munch. Blowing up so much, I got an Islamic buzz. I got a new friend request from ISIS Anonymous. They wanted to sponsor us, they told me they bought a bus. They wanted to go on tour, they told me they brought a gun. And boom, 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 boom. If they don't like Mahmoud, it's boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Mercules, lift the curtains, please. Yeah. Let me on stage with the circus freaks. I need perks and weed, and a verse for free, and some purple lean. It's our anniversary.
Remember, we were chasing rabbits September. Went on a bender to Denver from October, November. December got way better, but only cause of Christmas Eve. Dimethyltryptamine. Dimension shifting dreams, mind bending mysteries. I'm venting misery. He got mad cause then when I mentioned Krispy Kreme, we couldn't find a location open, so now he's pissed at me.
You are not the father.